Hi everyone. Okay, I am going to show you quickly how to submit an assignment to Dropbox. I'm going to play around with it and I'm going to show you how to submit the existing one that is due by tomorrow. If you look at your calendar, and I'm just going to show you, you'll see that order of operations homework assignment is due tomorrow at 9 a.m. This assignment is not in your do-it-hangs. And the reason it's on your do-it-hang is because it's kind of like my way every so often of knowing that you're actually doing the assigned work and that you understand it. So I need to kind of take a look at it. And since I'm not going to get to see your do-it-hangs till the end of the course, this is one way that I can take a sneak peek and see that everything's okay and you're understanding how to complete the assignments. So first thing we're going to do is you're going to go to your content section, and then you're going to go to your unit 1. You'll see that the drop-down file appears once you click on it, and then you're going to find that assignment, order of operations homework. When you click on it, you'll see that it appears in this little area. Now, you're going to save it, okay? And that gives you options. Here we go. I'm going to save it. Where am I going to save it? That's up to you. You can save it into your Google Doc if you want, or you can save it onto your desktop. So I have it in my desktop right now, and I have it in a folder called Math2L. I named this folder. If you don't know how to create a folder, see how it says new folder here? You click on it, create a new folder, name it Math2L, and it's going to be in your desktop. If you notice right now, I'm starting to organize myself by every document that we have in this first unit. I'm putting it in here. That way, if I need to find it later on during the course or at any time during the week, it's easily accessible. So I'm not going to save it. You would click save. I'm not going to do that because it's already here. What I am going to do though is I am going to open it up. Oops, here, no, sorry. I'm going to go here and I'm going to actually open it up because I have it, see, PC, desktop, Math2L. I'm going to click on it, open it. You can start writing on it. Once you're here, it allows you to rotate it, draw on it, etc. You can do that. As I explained, I expect for each of these for you to show not just the answer. The answer is not going to help me in any way. What I want to know is that you're following the order of operation steps. So my first step, see how I circled it? Because they're brackets. So I circled it and I completed what's inside the brackets first. So I added 13 plus 21. That gave me 34. Then I did the second step, which is 12 plus that, and then I got your answer. This next one here, let me erase this quickly so you can see. This next one here, if you notice, if I go through the order of operation steps, I'll see there's no brackets, there's no exponents, but there is multiplication. And there's 3 things that I multiplied. So this is the product that I'm going to solve first. I'm going to multiply 19 by 29, or 22, excuse me, by 9. So I'm going in order, right, from left to right. 19 times 22 times 9, that's going to give me an answer. Pretty big one, obviously, because I'm multiplying. And then I'm going to do minus 13, and then that'll give me my answer. So that's the expectation that you at least show me one step in order of operation. Now, once I'm ready to submit this assignment, this is where you need to go. So how do I submit this assignment once I've completed it and saved it? You need to save it, right? So you've already saved it. Once you start writing on it, you just have to click save again. And it'll take you right there, and then you'll have your saved answers and your saved work. Now, once I complete it, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to go to Dropbox. Okay, so of all the icons you're going to use, home, content, Dropbox are the ones you're going to use the most. So I'm going to click on Dropbox, and as you will see, you have one assignment, order of operations, and it'll tell you no submissions, etc. Actually, let me do student view so you can see, so that you can see exactly what you see. Again, Dropbox, and then you're going to see this. This is actually what you're going to see. I mean, I've already submitted once because I've done this already. I've submitted one file, but in your case, it's going to be 0 submissions and 0 files. So how do I submit this file? I click on the assignment. Once I click on the assignment, I scroll down to where it says add a file. Once I add this file, you're going to find where you put it. You could save it to Google Drive if you like, Or in my case, I saved it on my computer, right? Because I saved it on the desktop in a folder called Math 12. So I'm going to click on my computer, and then I'm going to click on Upload. Now, when I click on Upload, you'll see it says Desktop Math 2L because that's the file I just created. I'm going to double click on Order of Operations, and as you'll see, it comes up. And I'm going to add. Now, you'll see the assignment has successfully been added here. If you want to write me a comment, say, hey, Ms. Flores, this is my assignment, or whatever you want to do, you can type it in here. If not, you just click Submit. Once you click Submit, it says File Submission Successful. It also tells you confirmation email sent successfully, and then you can click Done. Once you're done, that's it. Now, see, I've just submitted 2 files. It doesn't matter. You can't delete files. Like if you've already submitted something, you can't take it out. I can do that for you because I have the administrative power to do that. You don't. You can just say, oh, you know what? I forgot to do something or something else and you want to resubmit it for whatever reason. You just click again on the assignment. It'll allow you to submit as many assignments as you want, and you just have to tell me which one is the one you want me to view. Okay? That is pretty much it. Once you're done, that's how you submit it. So again, for today, that is the assignment that's done. If you want step-by-step instructions on how to do that, go ahead and watch the video. I hope it helps, and we'll see you tomorrow.